Welcome to another simple dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use a DataMosh filter on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate it if you can support me by liking this video so the YouTube algorithm can push it out to others who need this tutorial. So DataMosh is a fault in your video where the video becomes all pixelated and looks like your video has been corrupted. TikTok has used this DataMosh filter as a transition effect between two clips. So let me show you how to use it. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on search and search for DataMosh, all one word. It'll appear under effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now browse through how others have used this effect. If you don't see this effect in your search results, then that means it's still not available for your region. You just need to wait until TikTok releases it in your region. Now go back to the effect page and tap on Try this effect. This will then take you into TikTok's recording screen. In this example, I'll record two scenes. So I'll press record, and for the first scene, I'll be putting down a small flower pot on the table. Then I'll stop recording. Now I'll swap the small plant pot to a slightly bigger plant pot. Then I'll line up my hands as per the screen and then record again. On screen you'll see the pixelation occur and then it'll transition to a bigger plant pot. Now stop recording and tap on the tick to go to the next screen. Review the clip, and as you can see, I'm putting down a small plant pot on the table. The DataMosh transition occurs and then it changes into a bigger pot. And there you go, that is how to use the DataMosh effect on a TikTok video. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.